Silicon Titans, a glimpse into Broadcom and Intel. Broadcom and Intel are giants in the semiconductor industry. They design and manufacture the chips that power our computers, smartphones, and countless other electronic devices. Broadcom, known for its aggressive acquisition strategy, has built a vast portfolio of chips used in networking, wireless communications, and storage. Intel, a household name in computing, dominates the market for central processing units, or CPUs, that serve as the brains of most personal computers. The potential for Broadcom to acquire Intel sent shockwaves through the industry, raising questions about the future of these companies and the competitive landscape of the semiconductor market. Understanding the scope of Broadcom and Intel is crucial to grasping the potential implications of a merger. Developing and manufacturing advanced chips require significant expertise, resources, and time. The potential acquisition reshaping the tech landscape? Reports have surfaced suggesting that Broadcom is considering an acquisition of Intel. Should this acquisition come to fruition, it would be one of the largest tech mergers in history, fundamentally altering the landscape of the semiconductor sector. Broadcom, known for its efficient operations and diverse chip portfolio, may see an opportunity to acquire Intel's manufacturing capabilities and market share in key sectors. A merger of this scale could impact everything from the price and performance of future computers and smartphones to the global supply chain for semiconductors. Governments and regulatory bodies are likely to scrutinize the deal closely, assessing its potential impact on competition and innovation within the tech industry. Seismic shift: why this deal matters. The potential acquisition of Intel by Broadcom is not just another corporate merger. It represents a seismic shift in the tech landscape. The ramifications of this deal extend far beyond the boardrooms of Silicon Valley, impacting consumers, businesses, and even national interests on a global scale. Intel, once the undisputed leader in CPU manufacturing, has faced increasing pressure from competitors like AMD. Broadcom, with its diverse portfolio and aggressive growth strategy, could leverage Intel's manufacturing prowess and established market presence to solidify its position as a dominant force in the industry. The world has witnessed firsthand the fragility of these supply chains in recent years, with shortages impacting various industries. The merger of Broadcom and Intel could lead to greater consolidation in chip manufacturing, potentially making the supply chain more vulnerable to disruptions. Semiconductors are essential components in everything from smartphones and laptops to military equipment and critical infrastructure. The outcome of this deal will have profound and lasting implications for the global economy, technological innovation, and the balance of power in the digital age. Section 4. Potential advantages. A win-win for Broadcom and Intel. On the surface, the potential acquisition of Intel by Broadcom appears to offer advantages for both companies. For Broadcom, acquiring Intel would provide access to a wealth of intellectual property, manufacturing capabilities, and a globally recognized brand. Intel, facing challenges in recent years, could benefit from Broadcom's operational efficiency and diverse product portfolio. Intel's manufacturing capabilities, particularly its expertise in advanced process nodes, would be a valuable asset for Broadcom. Additionally, Intel's established relationships with PC manufacturers and its strong brand recognition would provide Broadcom with a significant competitive advantage. However, integrating a company the size and complexity of Intel would be a monumental task for Broadcom. Successfully merging these two entities would require careful planning, effective communication, and a deep understanding of both companies' strengths and weaknesses. Broadcom's resources and expertise could help Intel streamline its operations, accelerate product development, and potentially regain market share. Section 5. Navigating the hurdles, regulatory scrutiny, and beyond. While the potential advantages of a Broadcom-Intel merger are apparent, the path to completing such a deal is fraught with obstacles. Regulatory bodies worldwide, particularly in the United States, Europe, and China, are likely to scrutinize the proposed acquisition closely. Antitrust concerns will be paramount, as regulators assess the potential impact on competition within the semiconductor industry. The deal could face significant delays or even be blocked entirely if regulators perceive that it would harm consumers or stifle innovation. Successfully integrating Intel into Broadcom would require a well-defined strategy, effective communication, and a deep understanding of both companies' operations. Broadcom's aggressive acquisition history and focus on cost optimization may not sit well with Intel's more engineering-driven culture. Overcoming these obstacles would require a combination of strategic foresight, deft negotiation, and a keen understanding of the regulatory and competitive landscape. Section 6. Echoes of the past tech acquisitions and their impact. The potential acquisition of Intel by Broadcom is not an isolated event in the tech industry. The history of technology is replete with examples of mergers and acquisitions, some successful, others less so. One prominent example is the acquisition of Nokia's mobile phone business by Microsoft in 2013. This deal, aimed at bolstering Microsoft's presence in the smartphone market, ultimately proved unsuccessful. Another notable example is Facebook's acquisition of Instagram in 2012. This deal, initially met with skepticism, has proven to be a resounding success for Facebook. The lessons from past tech acquisitions underscore the importance of careful planning, effective execution, and a deep understanding of the challenges and opportunities inherent in such deals. Section 7. Looking ahead, uncertainty and the future of tech consolidation. The potential acquisition of Intel by Broadcom has sent shockwaves through the tech industry, leaving many questions unanswered. The outcome of this potential deal remains uncertain, with numerous factors influencing its likelihood of success. The semiconductor industry is no stranger to consolidation, driven by factors such as intense competition, the need for scale, and the pursuit of intellectual property. The potential Broadcom-Intel deal, should it come to fruition, would represent a significant acceleration of this trend, potentially leading to a more concentrated market with fewer major players. This trend towards consolidation raises concerns about competition and innovation within the industry. Regulatory bodies worldwide will play a crucial role in scrutinizing such deals and ensuring that they do not stifle competition or harm consumers. As we navigate this uncertain terrain, one thing is clear. The future of technology will be shaped by the strategic decisions made by companies like Broadcom and Intel, the actions of regulators, and the evolving geopolitical landscape.